Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse app weekly settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search about the application of Weverse. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Weverse and you will click here. If you find updating this blue sign, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.